Hi there, Ruby from BOGOS here. Today we're setting up a cart discount offer. So, customers get a discount off their cart when they hit a spending or quantity threshold, one of the best ways to get people to buy more. Besides, this video will also show you how to set up these other advanced use cases of cart discounts. First, make sure you've got the BOGOS app installed. Links in the description. Alright, let's go. From the BOGOS sidebar, go to All Offers, then click Create Offer, start with Discount Offer, and Cart Discount. Now let's fill in the basics. The offer name is just to help you tell offers apart inside the app. The offer title is what your customers will actually see on the storefront. You can also throw in a block description for extra detail and set a start and end time to schedule it ahead. Next, we define which products count toward the discount with these 5 options. You can apply it to all products store-wide, or exclude or narrow it down to specific products, types, vendors, or collections. Just pick what fits your campaign. Moreover, if you want to keep this offer exclusive, use the Maximum Discount Uses field. The first option is to cap the total number of redemptions across all customers, great for an offer like a discount for the first 50 orders. You can also track the discount claims here. The second option is to ensure each customer can only redeem the discount once. Then, scroll down to Sub-Conditions. This is to ensure only the right customers see and qualify for the discount. For example, order history to offer a 10% off for first-time buyers. Or Shopify markets to run an exclusive discount for only Europeans. But in this video, I'll keep it simple. Now, the core of our offer, the discount itself. First, choose what triggers it. Either cart value, like spend $100, or cart quantity, like buy 5 items. I'll go with the cart value for this example. Then pick the discount type, a fixed amount like $10 off, or a percentage like 10% off. Next, set up our first tier. I'll set the cart value required at $100, with a discount of 10% off. Then add a label so customers know exactly what they're working toward. Oh, besides that, if you're using a percentage discount, you can also set a max discount cap, like 10% off, max $10, to protect your margin. And if you're using Shopify markets, you can also set custom amounts per market. For example, US customers spend $100, while European customers should spend 120 euros instead of 86 euros if using Shopify auto exchange rates. Oh, a quick note is that this add currency option is available to all fields involving money amount. Once the first tier is set, click Add Tier to create a tiered discount like Spend More, Save More. Here's what mine looks like. Now it's the final section. By default, BOGOS auto-generates a code like this one, but if you want something on-brand, just type it into the custom discount code field. As for combinations, if you don't want to stack discounts, just untick the option you'd like to exclude. When you're happy with everything, hit Publish. And our cart discount is going live now. After publishing, remember to make it look good on your storefront. Head to Customize, Discount Offer, then Cart Discount. Here, you'll find 2 key things to set up. First, the Cart Discount widget. This is what shows directly on your store page and highlights the offer to customers. Second, the Congratulations message, a pop-up to cheer customers on unlocking a discount. With BOGOS, you can customize everything to match your brand, so feel free to explore and adjust the settings. If you click here, you can also adjust the widget position on product page, or even add it to other store pages like cart page. Really cool, right? And that's it. You know how to set up a cart discount using BOGOS. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and try out the cart discount with the BOGOS free plan. I'm Ruby and see you in the next video.